Hey, so here's how to rapidly improve your offer, pretty much same day. So I built this Alex Hormozi AI business coach, which has very detailed instructions on essentially taking the role of Alex Hormozi with full context, his voice being, direct, blunt, that type of thing, how to coach and all of that specific information. It's trained on all of his books, the $100 million money models, offers and leads, and takes into account his voice and his coaching questions. And it's also scraped everything that Alex has ever posted really on mine, like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all of that type of thing. So it's essentially as close as you can get to Alex Hormozi, with massively leveraged his business advice and wisdom and expertise with our own agency and our school community, and it's massively helped. So here's the business coach in action. For example, if you'd like it to improve your offer, here's a very simple prompt that you can leverage. So, for example, tell me how to build a Grand Slam offer, which is what he talks about in his books. And this is an example offer. This is not our offer, it's just an example. Like you just copy and paste whatever your offer or business service is, and then click go. And then Alex will go ahead and do his thing for you. So, what I like about this is when you click into the little arrows, when you see Claude working, it'll tell you exactly what it's doing. But there we go. It'll tell you exactly what a Grand Slam offer is, the value equation, which is really cool. And then we'll run your entire offer through it. So super helpful, give you a full rebuild, and you can kind of go back and forth with it however you would like until you're eventually happy. And I'll show you how to activate this Alex Hormozi business coach inside of your own Claude environment now. So inside of our school community here, which is where we help coaches, consultants, and agency owners fix their offer through things like this, book more qualified calls and close more deals. All you want to do is sign up at the 7-day free trial if it's still available. Come into the classroom, Grand Slam offer in here, and we've got the Alex Hormozi AI Business Coach with full instructions. I've got the zip file sitting here waiting for you to download as well. And to be clear, you will need to introduce yourself inside of the community by jumping into the welcome post here and just type a comment, and you'll need, I think, like 4 or 5 likes or something like that on your comment, which everyone gets in like less than 10 minutes. And that will get you to level 2. We've had to put this behind level 2 because we've had loads of bots joining and scraping the file and things like that. So just a heads up, when you jump in, you'll just need to quickly get to level 2. It should take you like less than 10 minutes. And once you're in there, if you enjoy what we're about, you enjoy any of the information in the classroom or anything like that, and you want to jump in the calendar where we run Q&As and sales training every single week, it would be cool and great to have you in there. But yeah, I hope that helps, and would love to hear in the comments how Alex helped improve your offer.